Welcome to Modern Information Technology, an introductory course designed to give you a working understanding of how today's technology systems are built, connected, and protected, whether you're new to the field or just looking to fill in some gaps. This session will walk you through the core concepts that show up in almost every modern organization, from the hardware and software that run our systems, to the cloud, to the security practices that keep it all safe. Let's get started. So, what do we actually mean by modern IT? To understand it, it helps to compare it with how things used to work. Traditionally, IT meant physical servers sitting in a back room or data center, owned and maintained by your own team. Software was installed machine by machine, and updates were manual. Capacity was fixed. If you expected a busy season, you had to buy enough hardware in advance to handle it, whether you used it or not. And when something broke, your in-house IT team handled it, which could be slow to scale as the company grew. Modern IT flips much of this around. Services are hosted in the cloud and accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Updates happen automatically and continuously, often without anyone noticing. Capacity is elastic. Systems can scale up during a busy period and scale back down afterward. So you're not paying for idle hardware. And increasingly, security and uptime are managed by specialized providers who do nothing but that, all day, every day. This isn't to say traditional IT has disappeared. Many organizations still run a mix of both, but the overall direction has been a steady shift from owning infrastructure to renting capability. Every IT system, no matter how complex, is really built out of 5 core pillars. First, hardware, the physical devices, servers, laptops, sensors, and the equipment that lives in data centers. Second, software, the applications and operating systems that actually run on that hardware and do the work. Third, networks, the connections that let all these devices and systems talk to one another, whether across a room or across the world. Fourth, data and cloud, where information is stored and processed, increasingly hosted off-site rather than on a server down the hall. And fifth, security, the practices that protect all of the above, the systems, the data, and ultimately, the people who depend on them. These 5 pillars don't operate in isolation. They're interdependent. A weakness in one, like an unsecured network, can undermine the others, no matter how solid your hardware or software is. Let's go deeper on one pillar that underpins most of modern IT, the cloud. Cloud computing means renting computing power and storage over the internet, instead of buying and owning physical infrastructure yourself. There are 3 common service models worth knowing. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, is the most hands-on option. You rent raw servers, storage, and networking, and you're responsible for everything you build on top of them. Platform as a service, or PaaS, gives you a ready-to-use environment for building applications, so you don't have to manage the underlying servers yourself. And software as a service, or SaaS, is the most hands-off. You simply use a finished application over the web, like email or a CRM system, with the provider handling everything underneath. A simple way to think about the difference: IaaS is like renting land and utilities and building your own house. PaaS is like renting a furnished apartment, and SaaS is like booking a hotel room. You just show up and use it. So why does this matter? Because cloud computing changes the economics of technology. You pay only for what you use. You can scale instantly when demand spikes. You can access your systems from anywhere. And the provider, not your internal team, handles a lot of the maintenance and patching. Now let's talk about security, because the more systems we connect, the more exposure we create. Most security practice is guided by 3 principles, sometimes called the CIA triad. Confidentiality means only authorized people can access information. This is enforced through passwords, encryption, and permissions, making sure the right people, and only the right people, can see sensitive data. Integrity means data stays accurate and unaltered. It's protected from both accidental changes, like a corrupted file, and malicious tampering, like someone deliberately altering records. And availability means systems and data are accessible when needed. This is about protecting against outages and attacks that could take a system offline right when people depend on it most. These principles sound abstract, but they translate into everyday habits anyone can practice. Using a password manager, so you're not reusing weak passwords. Enabling multi-factor authentication wherever it's offered. Questioning unexpected links or attachments, even if they look like they're from someone you know. And keeping your software updated rather than dismissing those update notifications. Security isn't just the IT department's job. It's a habit everyone in an organization shares. Before we wrap up, let's look briefly at where modern IT is headed. 4 trends are worth keeping on your radar. First, AI and automation. Systems that learn from data and increasingly handle routine tasks with less human input, freeing people up for higher value work. Second, the Internet of Things. Everyday devices, from thermostats to factory sensors, that are now connected and exchanging data, often without anyone actively operating them. Third, mobile-first design. More services today are built primarily for phones and tablets, with desktop versions as an afterthought rather than the starting point. And fourth, data-driven decisions. Organizations increasingly rely on real-time analytics to guide strategy, rather than waiting for quarterly reports or gut instinct. You don't need to be an expert in any of these to work effectively in a modern organization, but recognizing them when you see them will help you understand why systems around you are changing the way they are. Let's bring it all together. Modern IT is built on 5 pillars: hardware, software, networks, data and cloud, and security. Cloud computing lets organizations rent infrastructure instead of owning it, trading upfront capital cost for flexibility. Security rests on confidentiality, integrity, and availability, and just as much on everyday habits as on technical tools. And AI, IoT, mobile, and data analytics are actively reshaping how systems are designed and used right now. That's the landscape of modern IT in broad strokes. Which IT pillar runs your world? hardware, software, networks, cloud, or security? Tell us in the comments and what you wish you understood better. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'd be glad to go through them now. And if you're watching this on your own, drop a comment below. Which of these 5 pillars does your team rely on most? I'll be reading through and replying.